On this episode of Shiny G 88's Computer Repair, I show you the Xtreme PD USB-C plus QC USB home charger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you the Xtreme USB-C plus QC USB home charger. I bought this at the Dollar Tree for $5, and we're going to see how well it actually works. So, to start off, I have my iPhone X and my iPhone 14. So, to see if this works, let's open it up. And as you see in the box, it was $5. This is what it looks like. This is my extension cord. We're going to plug it in. So as you can see, it has a USB-A end and a USB-C end. Now, on the box, it says USB 3.0, but normally this means USB 3.1. Unless, I know different manufacturers use different colors. USB 3.0 most of the time will be blue. USB 3.1 will be red. This is orange, so yes, it's USB 3.0, but it may be USB 3.1. I don't know. So I'm going to boot up my iPhone X here. And I'm going to plug it in into my USB port here. It's charging, as you can see on camera here. Now I'm going to take my iPhone 14 and I am going to plug it into this as well. So I'm going to take the USB-C end and plug it in just like this, because it says you can charge two devices at once. So we are going to see. So now I have my iPhone X, iPhone 14. There we go. If you could see it on camera, it's charging. So these two devices are charging at the same time. So this does what it says it was going to do. Charge two devices at once. So this is actually a pretty good deal for $5. The Dollar Tree I went to has this. Yours may not. So it says it's 4 times faster, and these are charging pretty quick. At least the USB-C is. So I have two different devices charging at the same time, and the charger is still cool. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.